Right. So we have simplify the following expression. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 problems in question 6. So let's work through. I'll take number 1 and number 3 just to give you an idea as to how to do these. Okay, so these are the rules for exponents that we're going to use here. And how we'll do this is we first start with 5 multiplied by 5. Okay, so 5 multiplied by 5 is 25. Okay.
Mr. Jibril, Mr. Osama Aziz, please go to ground area.
Then we have k to the power 3 plus 4. Okay, remember 3 plus 4 because we are multiplying them together. So we have, and again we're using the rules of exponents or indices here. When we're multiplying two variables, we use two of the same variables. We can use that variable again here. Okay, and then add the indices because we are multiplying. So we say 3 plus 4, and that gives us 25 k to the power 7. Okay, now it's a little bit different when we divide. So I'm moving on to number 3 now. We have 25 divided by 5. 25 divided by 5. 25 divided by 5 is just 5. Okay, so we first look at the numbers part, then we look at, or the coefficient. Now we look at k. Okay, and we have k to the power 6 divided by k to the power 4. Now what's different with dividing or division is that when we multiplied here at the top, we used plus to add these two. Okay, but now when we're using division, we actually we can write the k down, but we're using minus sign. So 6 minus 4. Okay, and what we end up with is 5 k to the power 2. Okay, because it's 6 minus 4. So remember that when you use division, you have to use a negative sign. Okay, so what's nice here is I've got 2 more problems for you to try out. There's one with multiply and there's one with divide. Again, please download the worksheet and try them on your own. Okay, so we'll look at part 5 here of question number 6. Okay, part 5 here says work out the value of each expression when a is equal to 4, b is equal to 2, or a is equal to minus 4, sorry, b is equal to 2, c is equal to minus 3, and d is equal to 5. Now when we're doing this, we have to look at 3a minus 4b. Okay, excuse me, 3a minus 4b. So all we do is we rewrite this expression, having substituted the values into here. So now we write 3, and instead of a we write minus 4, because in this case a is equal to minus 4. I've just underlined it. Minus 4, and b is equal to 2. Right, so we have a positive 3 times a negative 4. Again, I always use a method here called SPON when we're evaluating signs, especially for multiplication. Okay, so this is for multiplication and for division. Okay, so SPON goes when you are evaluating two numbers with the same sign, so they are multiplying or dividing them, the outcome must be positive, and when the two numbers have an opposite sign, the outcome must be negative. Okay, so here we have 3 multiplied by minus 4, so we know that in front of the 3 is an invisible positive. So effectively what we're evaluating here is positive 3 here minus 4. So they are opposite signs because one's got a positive and one's got a negative. So positive 3 minus 4, that gives me minus, because opposite signs must yield a negative outcome. So minus, and 3 times 4 is 12. Minus, okay, so again here, I put minus there, sorry. Let me not do that. Let me have a look again here and go. We have minus 4 outside and 2 inside. So again, opposite signs, and the outcome must be negative. So we have a negative 4 multiplied by a positive 2. That must be negative. 4 times 2 is 8. Okay, now we work on the number line. We look, minus 12 going minus 8 in the negative direction. It gives me minus 20. Okay, and that's how you work out the value of that expression. And here I've got another problem here for you guys to do on your own. Please try that. And we've got D, which is equal to 5, and C, which is equal to minus 3. Okay, so let me see if there are any more questions for question 6. Okay. Alright. So, question 6 says, draw a tessellating shape with a hexagon. Okay, so we first draw one hexagon. So let me just count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So x is 6. And then here we can obviously continue drawing another one. So we first draw the first hexagon, then we draw another one. And tessellating means they are packed together without any spaces between them. So that's why we are drawing that. And you can carry on. Okay, so this is effectively a tessellating shape. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 hexagons. 4, sorry, hexagons. So all I would say is try and draw maybe 6 or so. Okay, so find the area of a circle with a diameter of 14 centimeters. Okay, so the area of a circle, the formula for area of a circle is pi r squared. Okay, so we have diameter. Okay, equals 14. Here, sorry, let me rub this out. So we know diameter is 14, but we know that there's a relationship between diameter and r here, as r is equal to radius. Okay, and the radius is half of the diameter. So the radius here is equal to 14 divided by 2, which is 7 centimeters. Okay, so the area is pi 7 squared, which is pi 49, or the same as saying 49 pi. Sorry, that's an ugly pi, but you get the idea. Okay, so if you want to, you can put this number in your calculator and give a more accurate number, or a number. This is probably the most accurate you'll get, but something that is closer to 2 decimal places, if that's something you want. You just rewrite this 49 pi. Okay, that's it. I move on to question 7.
Please subscribe to my dad's channel. Thanks.